Good morning, guys, and Merry Christmas. It's Christmas morning, and I'm working on the old lady's car. It's a 2013 Ford Edge. So I got a Solus Ultra Snap-on, and I'm going to connect it to the OBD2 port, which connects by this cable here. And you'll see the cable. It's kind of long. So an OBD2 port on the Ford Edge is down here underneath the steering wheel, and you can see it right there. Now, you'll want your green LED down on this car. And once you plug it in, you'll see that green light lets you know that you're connected. So you come back up here and it should start booting up automatically. So it's there, and I'll just show you a basic function on it. And you got the N and X button is no and back. It's a back button. And the Y is the yes and enter button. Then you got your 4 up and down and left and right. This is touchscreen, but I find that I can get through the menus quicker with the buttons. But and then you got the S, the snap-on button, and you can program that to different functions. I got it for a screenshot. So, and you got your power button. But right now, we'll do the scanner. Hit the Y button. And I do have the key on this, so already you want your key on, engine off. So it automatically detected the car. Okay, and see the check mark and the X, cancel or okay. I'm going to hit the check mark, which is yes, the Y. And then we'll go to code scan. Hit the Y again, this one. Okay. And then it'll go through this. You can skip going through all these systems just to check a code, the engine code. It shows it's got one, but it's a permanent code, and it won't show on the screen I'm going to take you to. So, I mean, it's really, there's nothing there. But so I'm going to hit engine code, go down to engine code by the down button, arrow button. Hit the Y for yes. Then we'll go down to generic functions. Yes. And let's see what we got here. We'll display trouble codes. Says no codes present. That's how you see your codes on it. And then you can go back. I'm hitting the N button for back button. And let's go to codes menu. Yes. And clear codes. That's how you clear codes. You go down to it, and then you hit your Y button again to clear codes. And it'll tell you what's going on. Warning: clearing codes also clears engine freeze frame and resets OBD2 monitors, all that stuff. So, and that's fine. So I'm gonna hit the yes button. I mean, there's nothing there, but I'll hit it. Okay, so it tells you the clear codes key must be on with engine off or running. Select exit to not clear the code. So, but I'm gonna hit the Y button and then show you what it does. Codes cleared. Now you hit the X button, that exits you out of it, and you're back to the other menus. Now what I do to shut this off, I don't just pull the plug or hit the power button in these menus. I go back to the home button, let it get to this screen, and then hit your power button. And then I ask you if you want to power off, and hit yes. And then you unplug your data cable. So, thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe.